Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to boost your catering business through Grubhub in 2025, you're in the right place. Let's break it down exactly how to start getting those catering order rolling in. First things first, make sure your catering menu is detailed and visually appealing. Add clear descriptions and high quality photos of each item. A good looking menu builds trust and encourages orders. Next, take advantages of Grubhub's built-in promotional tools. Highlight your catering services to front center and so they don't get lost in your mix. Here's a big one: social proof. Ask your satisfied catering clients to leave positive reviews. These reviews can go a long way in convincing your new customers to try your service. Now, offering something extra, special deals and discounts on catering orders are a great way to draw in more interest. A limited time offer can really create urgency and boost conversions. Also, make it easy for customers to plan ahead. Allow catering orders to be scheduled up to 14 days in advance. This flexibility is a big win for businesses and events that need to plan meals early. And that is it. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to more catering orders through Grubhub. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech savvy tips just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one as always.